So your question is, what is trending in residential stormwater in the year 2023? It's a great question. Number 2, lots of Coltech systems with no pre-treatment, no overflows, and no observation ports. What we find a lot with these Coltech systems is they don't use pre-treatment, so there's no catch basins or T80 storm filters. Coltech makes a great T80 storm filter product to catch solids. There's a built-in screen. Obviously in a sump, all your solids are going to sink, and you try to baffle them out and only take clean water in. But there are none on a lot of these systems, so there's no access except for some pipe in the yard that we need to navigate. It's usually in bad shape and filled with water. Another thing is no overflows. You've got to have an overflow. There's got to be some way to back out all of that energy and pressure inside the system, so you need to have an overflow. Even if it's a small pop-up emitter or something, we always put one in, and it always serves as a quick way in as well to observe. Which brings me to my next point, observation port. We use a 6-inch SDR35 pipe, but we want to have access. So we'll grease a fitting and just put a cap on it or put a clean out. I don't really like the clean outs because they stick up and are very obvious in the yard, and they're a tripping hazard. But you need an observation port. You need a way into those chambers quick to see what they're doing. It's also good to study to see how the chambers do perform, so you know what to expect of the system for the client and how you educate the client on the way out. This is Frank Heneghan with Connecticut Stormwater Authority, and thank you. Ask for Frank at Connecticut Stormwater Authority.